Okay, so in this section we want to look at copying and pasting. So copying and pasting can be invaluable if you want to take text from one document and place it into another, or even to take text within one document and put it in another place. The first thing we need to do when we want to copy and paste is we want to select a document. So we select our bit of text. Once we select okay, just go back to where that is. So the first thing we want to do is we want to select our text. So when we select our text, so I'm going to select this paragraph here. We want to go up and on the Home tab, we want to click onto the Copy button. Now once we click onto the Copy button, it's going to put it on what's called a clipboard. So the clipboard is a section in Microsoft Word where it stores all the copied information. So I click on Copy. It's after putting it onto the clipboard. If you want to see the clipboard for any reason, we can click on this wee down arrow at the side of the clipboard, and you can see it'll show us our text there. I tend to leave the clipboard closed if you just take it for granted that it has copied it, but clicking on that button will show you the clipboard. So it says there's an item there to be pasted. So what we do then is we click where we want to put the text. So I'm going to click down at the bottom of our document here, and then I click on the paste option. Now don't try to click on this paste word. You see it gives you 3 options there. The more straightforward way of doing it is just clicking on the top half of the button, so that small clipboard there, clicking on it pastes it into the area. So that's copying and pasting within the same document. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my text, the second paragraph. Instead of copying this time, I'm going to click on Cut. So once I click on Cut, you'll see it removes the text that was there. I click where I want to put it, so down at the bottom, and I click on Paste. So copying copies the text, it leaves the original where it is. Cutting removes the original and puts it into the new place. So there's a slight difference in it. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to select a bit of text. Again, I'll select maybe the first 2 paragraphs, and I want to copy it. I can click into a new document or one that I have previously made. So I just clicked on the new button there, and then I can paste it in like that. So it pastes it in. This option that comes up here, so a lot of people ask about this option. Every time you copy and paste something, the paste options will come up. It just gives you options. Do you want to keep the source formatting? So in other words, do you want to keep the formatting the same as it was in the source? Do you want to merge the formatting? So do you want to combine this in with the new formatting that they have there? Or do you want to keep text only? So just say, for example, you copied it from a document that was red and it was size 12. You have the option to just keep text only, that it will only put it in black and white text, size 12 or size 11, whatever size that you're using. So they're the paste options there. The other thing you can do is cut from one document to the other. So we select the second 2 or the third and fourth paragraph. I'm going to go to Cut. I'm going to click into my new document down here, and I'm going to click at the bottom, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Paste then. And you can see it puts it and it's gone from the other one. So copying and pasting copies the original and takes it to the new place, whereas cutting and pasting removes the original and puts it into the new place. So the shortcuts for copy and paste and cut and paste. The shortcut for copy is going to be Control, so the Control button, plus C for copy. For paste, it's going to be Ctrl++V. That's going to be equal to paste. And then for cut, it's Ctrl+X. So we just do Ctrl+C. We'll just put it there, cut. So if I press Ctrl and the button C, it's going to copy the text. So if I select a bit of text here, I press Ctrl and C. I click where I want to put it, and I press Ctrl and V, it copies and pastes it. If I select the document, I'm just going to select your document there. We'll select the new theme here, and I'm going to press Ctrl and X. You can see it cuts it. I click where I want to put it, and I press Ctrl and V, and it pastes it. So that'll make you quicker. Copy and paste, cut and paste, and it's using the shortcuts on the keyboard. So the Control button, then the very bottom left hand corner, and then the C or V or X, depending on what you want to do.